Okay.
Kirby, you're in group 3. And there are some sheets with the group numbers floating around.
Of the wind.
Yeah. Yeah.
So like, from now on, we're getting out of here.
We've got a long way to go. 2.5 billion miles, right? That's 10,000 trips to the moon. And the solar electric propulsion is a very efficient means of doing that, which basically create an electromagnetic field that takes those xenon ion particles, each little ion, and fires them out. Cold gas system, which augments our propulsion system, primarily of the xenon. If you folks look at this model later, you'll see that.
Is that this beautiful spacecraft that is going to outer space to visit inner space, because this is the one way that humans can see a metal core. Pressure is too high, the temperature is too high, the technology is impossible, and yet there are metal cores inside of all the rocky planets. Mercury and Venus and Mars and also the moon have got metal cores. But there's one way in our solar system that we can look at a metal core, and that is by going to this asteroid, 16 Psyche. It's almost the biggest thrill of the whole mission to me is that we're going to visit an unknown object. And so how do you plan how to measure? That was a great scientific process to decide what we're going to measure. So the first thing is, of course, we need to be able to see the body, so that's what the cameras are for.
I'd like to have streaming videos come by. If you recall, at least I can, I don't know, to demonstrate, our mission, our primary mission actually is going to be during the first 2.
If we can do that, if we can create teams of that kind of effectiveness, we can solve our problems here on Earth. And so using space as an inspiration.
It was probably the best person to answer that, but came into being. And those various dynamic models, they predicted, based upon those models, that there should be maybe one, maybe 2 things like Psyche might exist.
He's an exposer. Oh, look at him go. Look at him go. So get one by yourself, though.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice. Very nice.
If either of you would like to take one moment.
Like, nice. Like the stairs. It's like a ladder. With all.
Materials and things that will be coming off of our skin, etc. Scientific missions like this require, very high degrees of cleanliness.
Can you speak with our viewers? Describe what we're looking at.
Okay, you're looking at the Psyche spacecraft. It's all buttoned up and ready in the configuration that it's going to go in.